Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course. In this video we're gonna learn how to use the offset command right here. Now the offset command is simply copying an object and making it a distance from the original object. I'm gonna draw a simple line and demonstrate this command for you. Then by clicking on the icon, he's gonna ask you to specify a distance, to select a distance. I'm gonna select this distance. Then he is gonna ask you to select or specify an object. I'm gonna select a line. Then as you can see, he copied it and placed it far away from the original line, which is the distance that I selected. Just like that. I can make another one by clicking on the object, then drag it to the side that I want, just like that. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.